Hi everyone, I'm Amit Motaphale, a student at BNS Institute of Technology and Management. I'm currently doing an internship at Hackveda as an AWS Cloud Intern, and it has been an amazing experience so far. I've worked on real-world AWS projects such as setting up EC2 instances, managing databases using Amazon RDS, as well as configuring simple email services for Hackveda. These hands-on tasks have significantly boosted my practical skills in cloud computing. A key part of this internship is Hackveda's intern tracker platform. It helps us to mark attendance, monitor tasks and progress report, as well as schedule presentations. It also has a knowledge base shared by other interns so that we can refer them and learn from it. It also provides personalized performance tracking with scores and mentor feedback, which keeps the learning structured and clear. I was also promoted to Scrum Manager during this internship, where I lead review meetings, guide team members, and coordinate tasks. Overall, I'm truly thankful to Hackveda for this opportunity. It's been a valuable stepping stone in my career. Thank you.